Bismillah. Okay, good day to each and everyone. For those who are preparing for their board exam is coming, lalo na yung mga nagsa-self-review. No? Mahal na mahal ko yung mga taong self-review. Ang lakas ng spirit, fighting spirits ng mga nagsa-self-review. It is coming November and it's coming April 2025. Okay? Katumtuman ko class, no? Nung nandiyan pa sa MIT si President Sambasasa, na lagi niya sinasabi sa amin sa engineering, it is unfair for me hindi ko i-develop ang engineering. Yun palagi ang sinasabi ng late President ng MIT. So, sa part daw niya, kasi he is a mechanical engineer. So, actually, si Sir Sam, tinuturing namin na author siya ng BS Electrical Engineering at saka BS Civil Engineering dyan dito sa Tawi-Tawi. Okay. Kaya, kahit saan man kami magpunta, yung isipan namin nandyan sa MIT. Kasi parang na-inject na ni Sir Sam na develop natin ang engineering kahit anong saparaan. No? Kaya actually class, ang hirap mag-conduct ng ganitong lecture na naka-virtual, magsalita ka mag-isa. Di ako sanay, no? Mahirap talaga gawin na magsalita tayo mag-isa. Okay, nakakulong ka sa loob ng kwarto, tapos mag-isa ka, nakala ng mga kasama mo na narupang nalonin tao yun. Diba? Okay, so let's go. This is actually previous board. Binigay sa amin sa isang review center na sad to say, hindi lumabas. So, malay natin, no? This coming November or April sa IEE. I hope na marami tayong makukuha sa problem number 2. Okay, so don't worry. Pag sangahon taman in topic, no? Para at least isang question ang dami natin makuha. Okay, let's go. Ano ba yung number 2? Basahin natin ang question sa number 2. Okay? Find the length of the cable AB that is in the shape of parabola. As I said, nang paulit-ulit, in solving problems, you have to be a good follower. Meaning, you can follow instruction. Diba? Paano ka makafollow ng instruction kung hindi ka marunong magbasa? Diba? So, you have to practice reading. Yung talaga, no? Reading. Kung marunong ka na mag-reading, that's the time, no? Na you can already follow instruction sa mga problems na binibigay ng mga board examiner. Okay? So, actually, ito class is previous board yata ito. Previous board question ito. Okay? So, it says that find the length of the cable AB that is in the shape of the parabola. So, makikita mo ang figure. Tingnan natin mo ng figure, ha? Ang figure that is cable bridge, no? May cable AB, yung parang naka-arc ang kanyang shape. And of course, may binigay na y-axis, then matic, this one will be your x-axis. Diba? So, yung length ng cable AB, ito, yung 1,000 class is not the length of the cable AB. So, very obvious din naman yan, ha? Hindi ang 1,000 ang length ng cable AB. Ito lang yung length ng 1,000, this one, no? That is 1,000. Pero yung AB, cable AB is not 1,000. Ano pa binigay? Yung 200, no? From this point up to that is 200. Okay. Clear ba tayo sa drawing? Clear ba tayo sa figure na given? Yan. So, ulitin natin ang tanong. Okay. Find the length of the cable AB. Oh, cable AB that is in the shape of parabola. So, meaning, ang cable AB po, okay. Ang cable AB natin, class, nakikita natin dito, ang shape niya is naka-arc, which is parabola. Diba? So, since naka-arc ang shape ng cable AB mo, yung length niya, naka-arc siya, so dapat alam natin ang formula ng arc length. Okay. Ano ba yung formula ng arc length? Arc length, sorry. Okay, ito yan. Arc length, AB. Nagamit ko class, kamay ko kasi hindi accurate yung stylus pen. arc length AB is equals to the integral of the square root of 1 plus, okay, plus, no? Plus dy over dx square dx, then ang limit niya is x1 to x2. So yan ang equation, ito ang working equation ng arc length. Gagaya ng AB, naka-arc siya, di ba? So we have to use this equation to solve the length of AB kasi ang shape niya is naka-arc. Okay. Ano ang sa working equation natin, class, na nakakitaan ta in dy over dx. Ano ba yung dy over dx? Well, that is the derivative of y with respect to x. So that involves differential calculus dito sa equation ng arc length. And then the integral sign, that is also an integral calculus is also involved in this working equation. Nakuha? Okay. Madali lang sana, class, no? Pag may binigay dito na dy, pag may binigay dito na dy over dx, kaso wala. So, mangyari, hahanapin natin kung saan natin pwede hanapin ang dy over dx. Clear? Okay, so, go back to the figure. Sinabi dito, find the length of the cable AB that is in the shape of parabola. So, sabi dito, ang arc length, ang shape ng cable AB is in the shape of parabola. Given yan, wala tayong magagawa. Ang sabi daw niya, ang shape ng AB mo is parabola. So, speaking of parabola, ano ang ibig sabihin ng parabola? Diba? O yan. Yung, ito. This is already parabola. Diba? O, ito. This is already parabola. Open upward. Meron ding downward. Open rightward. Open leftward. So, isa-isahin natin ang parabola. That is actually analytic geo. Diba? Natandaan yung analytic geo, no? Parabola. Open upward, downward, rightward, and leftward. Okay? So, isa-isahin natin, no? Gumawa muna tayo ng x and y. Sorry. Gumawa tayo ng x. Ayan. Ito na naman. Ayan. And then, ito. Okay. Sana, di na yun yung shutdown. Kasi, pag ginagamitan ko siya, class, ng screen recording, matpas yung laptop, bigla shutdown. Okay, so apat, no? Now, parabola open upward. Palitan natin yun. Ayan. Parabola open upward. That is parabola open upward. So, okay. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. Can you follow? Okay. So, makikita natin dito, kakitaan tadi, in every y, there is a corresponding dalawang value ng x. In every y, dalawa yung value ng x. Diba? Ito yung y, ito yung x. So, pag nandito yung y natin, ang corresponding value ng x na dalawa. Okay? So, meaning, ang square natin nasa x. Okay na? Okay, so meaning, ang square natin nasa x. Parang yun lang yung clue, no? X minus x square. Equation ng parabola open upward, for a y minus k. Okay. So, yan ang equation. Ito ang equation ng parabola open upward. So, kung magtanong ako, ano kaya ibig sabihin ng h at saka yung k sa parabola? Ang h class at saka yung k, that is the vertex of the parabola. Can you follow? Ang vertex ng parabola is denoted by h and k. So, ano naman yung x at saka yung y? Yung x and y, that is the set of point dito. Point man yan, no? Then, you connect it. Ang outcome niya is parabola open upward. So, merong pwede dito xy, 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 xy. Okay na. Ano ang 4a? Yan. Ang 4a class is the length of the latus rectum. So, banda dito ang latus rectum. Yung a. Ano yung a? Yung a is the distance from the vertex to the focus. Kasi may focus ang parabola. And also, a is the distance of the vertex from from the vertex to directrix dito. Diba? Nandito ang directrix mo. Yung focus class, makinig, ang focus is point and then ang directrix is line. Yan. Nakuha. Next. Parabola open downward. So, the same thing, dalawa yung value ng x natin dito kada isang value ng y. Diba? Dalawa yung value ng x natin kada isang value ng y. So, your equation of the parabola open downward, that is x minus h squared equals, so since going open downward, that is negative 4a, diba? Y minus k. Okay? Ayan. And next is parabola open rightward. Okay, so dito class, may iba na siya, no? Kada isang x natin, ang corresponding y niya dalawa. So kaya ang square mo nasa y. Okay, follow? Okay, so this will be y minus k square. Oops, sorry. Y minus k square equals 4a x minus h. Okay, and then again, what is h at saka yung k? That is the vertex of the parabola. Ano yung y at saka yung x? xy is the set of points dito. Pag i-connect mo, magiging parabola which is open rightward. 4a is the latus rectum. Nandito, banda dito ang focus, banda dito ang line ng directrix. What? Last one. Open leftward. Okay, so yan. Open leftward. Yung kada isang value x natin, dalawa yung y. So, ang square mo nasa y. Nakuha? So, that is y minus k square equals negative kasi open leftward x minus h. And you follow. So, dapat alam natin yan, no? Pag mag-take tayo ng board exam, yung mga yan, kahatian tayo mga yan, no? Kahatian tayo mga equations, yung parabola open upward, downward, leftward, and rightward. Okay, so go back to the question. Ano ba ang question? Ano ba ang question? Find the length of the cable AB. Diba? Cable AB. Oh, sorry. Find the length of the cable AB that is in the shape of the parabola. Okay, binigay yan, ha? That is in the shape of the parabola. So, length of the cable AB. So, alam mo yung cable AB mo, naka-arc siya. So, ano ang formula ng arc length? Ito siya, di ba? Which is the integral of the square root of 1 plus dy over dx squared dx from x1 to x2. Kaso lang, walang dy over dx. Binigay dito. So, hanapin natin kung saan ito. Follow. Okay. Again, go back to some drawing. Pwede pa. Balikin natin ang drawing nga. Ang figure. Wait lang. Pwede ba? Sige. Oops. Ganyan na lang, no? Okay. So, since ang AB mo, since ang AB natin is in the shape of the parabola open upward, so magtudraw tayo dyan. Mas maganda, no? Draw natin muna yung y axis dito. Sorry. Oops. Nagilid man. Okay lang. And then, of course, ang horizontal is your x. Yan. Right? And then, parabola AB. Oh, sorry. Diba? Ayan, parabola AB. Okay? So, we set class na makikita natin ang vertex natin nasa gitna siya. No? Nasa origin, no? Sa origin ng x and y. Okay? Para hindi na tayo mahirapan class mag-locate ng vertex. So, pag dito class, ano yung vertex ng parabola mo? So, 0, 0, di ba? Obvious din naman yan, no? 0, 0. So, taas ko lang ng konti ito. Taas. Okay. Ay, sorry. Saan naman? Oops. remove. Ito. Remove ko para klaro. Parabola. Oops. Okay. Yan. Ayan. Oops. Ayan, no? Ayan. Ito na. O, yan na. Ito na, class, ang parabola AB natin. Diba? So, ang shape ng parabola that is open upward, ano ang equation ng parabola open upward? Ano ang equation ng parabola open upward? That is x minus h squared equals, o, lagay natin dito this is your A. Lagay natin muna yung coordinate. This is vertex na 0, 0. And then, of course, this is point B. O, ano ang coordinate ng B? Ano ang coordinate ng B? Di ba? Ang coordinate ng B is, yung X natin is positive 500. O, nandito man yung Y, nandito yung X. Then, from this point to that point, from this point hanggang dito, class, is 500. And then dito, papunta doon, is negative 500. Clear na? Okay. So, the coordinate of point B is positive 500 and 200, yung sa Y, diba? And then, the other one sa A, point A is negative 500 and 200. Coordinate ng A. Okay, so yan na, kompleto na yung parabola natin. May vertex na, may x and y tayo. So yung x and y natin, pwede dito 500 and 200. Also, pwede din dito na negative 500 and 200. This one, class, is the set of all the points mo na sa equation x and y. Sa equation x and y ng parabola. Okay, so again, ano ang equation ng parabola open upward? Kasi yung cable AB natin is in the shape of parabola and open upward. So, ito ang gagamitin natin na equation ng parabola open upward. This is x minus h squared equals 4ay minus k. Diba? Yan. O, sulat natin, no? X. What is your h? That is 0. Diba? Vertexan, square. Equals 4a. Y. What is your k? 0 din. Diba? Ang vertex na nasa 0, 0. So, simplifying the equation, x squared equals 4ay. Okay. 4ay. Explain ko para clear. Ano ang x squared equals 4ay? Is that the equation of the parabola cable AB or parabola open upward? Ang equation ba, class, ng x square mo equals 4ay, is this the equation na sinasabi niya na cable AB is in the shape of parabola, or simply the equation of the parabola open upward and the origin and the vertex is at the origin, diba? So yung ito, class, yung x squared equals 4ay mo is not the equation of the cable AB that is in the shape of the parabola. Simply, class, ang x squared equals 4ay mo is simply the general equation of the parabola open upward and ang kanyang vertex nasa 0, 0. Klaro? Okay. So, wag mo ito gamitin para dito. Kasi ito is not the equation of the cable AB that is in the shape of the parabola. Okay, so hahanapin natin ang equation ng cable AB that is in the shape of the parabola using this one. Yung general equation of the parabola open upward. Okay, follow. Okay, clear ba tayo? Now, lagyan ko ng line. Sama. Oops. Yan. So, baba. So, we will use this one. We will use this one to solve the equation, to find the equation of the parabola, of the cable AB. that is in the shape of parabola. Okay, based from the given. Nakuha? Now, okay, so your x, di ba? Ano ba yung x natin? So, pwede ka, yung 500 at saka 200, that is x and y. Yung 0 at saka 0, that is hk. So, pwede ka gumamit ng h mo, ng x mo, negative 500, pwede din positive 500. Ang y mo, pwede 200, pwede din dito 200. Okay? So, ikaw, kung saan mo gusto. Kung gusto mo mag-exhibition, gawin mo negative. Ayoko magtrabaho ng negative, gusto ko palagi positive. Di ba? Positive energy. Okay. So, we will use xy na 500 and 200. Yan na, clear tayo. So, substituting this one, no? Substituting to this general equation of the parabola open upward and the origin is at 0, 0, we will substitute x to be 500 and your y to be 200. Okay? Next is, so substitute natin, no? Sorry. Pwede palito ng color, gawin ko red. So, 500, diba? 500 square equals 4a. Then what is your y? 200. Ano yung masolve natin dito, class? Is yung value ng a. Diba? So, ano kaya value ng a? Using calculator. Ayaw ko mag-solve, tamad ako. Gusto ko, press lang sa calculator. Ano ba yung 500 square? May na rin yung memory ko. Picture natin muna. Okay, go back to calculator. Okay, 500 square. Saan ba? Ito, no? 500 square alpha equals, diba? Oh, sorry. Okay, right. Alpha equals, was what? 4a, no? So, gamitan natin ng x. 4x, then times what? 200. Then we close. Hey, syntax error. Wait. For clear. Ulitin natin na. 500 square. Okay. Alpha equals. And then 4 alpha x. Yan. That is your a, no? Times 200. Tama na. Okay, tama na yan, no? Then close, then shift, then cut. Okay, equals, baby. Okay, so your x is 312.5. Gawin nating fraction. How much is this one? 625 over 2. Okay, your a is 625 over 2. Okay? Now, meron na tayong A, that's the time na pwede natin mahanap ang equation ng parabola ng cable AB which is in the shape of parabola using A mo which is 6 to 5 over 2. So galing ito sa mga x and y, 500 yung coordinate ng cable AB natin, no? Okay, so again, we will use this one. Ayan. No? Substituting that one, how much? So x square equals 4, what is your a? 6 to 5 over 2 times y. So dalawa yung variables natin dito, x and y. Taas ko ng konti. Okay, so simplifying, that is x square equals calculator, baby. Ayan, 4 times what? 4 times, ano yun? 6 to 5 over 2. 4 times 6 to 5. 6 to 5 over 2. Yeah, equals 1,250. Tandaan nyo, 1,250. 1,250 y. Tanong ko, anong klaseng equation ang x square mo equals 1,250y? Anong klaseng equation? So, siyempre, that is equation of the parabola. Parabola ng ano? Ito na class ang hinahanap natin na equation ng cable AB that is in the shape of parabola. Can you follow? Can you follow? Okay na. So, yung x square, ulitin ko ha, ang x square equals 1,250y mo, that is the equation of the cable AB that is in the shape of parabola. Okay, so that's the time. Refer natin ulit sa working equation. So, this is your working equation. Ito ang working equation natin ng arc length. Now, paano ba tayo, class, maka-obtain ng dy over dx dito? Dito. Diba? Dito. Paano tayo makakuha ng dy over dx? Next, hahanapin natin is dy. Kita ko ng color. Oops. Next, yan, no? dy over dx. Yan ang next na napagunta. So, how will you get dy over dx? That is actually the derivative of y with respect to x. So, of course, you have to derive both sides, no, of the equation. You have to derive this equation para makakuha. Paano ka makakuha ng y dito, ng dy dito, class? I-derive mo ang y. The derivative of y is dy. Paano ka makakuha ng dx dito? I-derive mo ang x. Derivative of dx is derivative of x is dx. Nakuha? Nakuha? So, dapat alam mo yung rules sa differentiation. Okay? So, continue natin, no? Derivative of x square, sige na. Derivative of x square, that is 2x dx. So, I will not anymore explain kung bakit naging ganyan. Can you follow? Equals derivative of 1,250y. Ano sinabi ko? 1,250y is 1,250 dy. Diba? Yan. So, makikita mo, meron na tayong dy at saka dx. So, ano bang kailangan mo? dy over dx. Ito. Diba? Ang dy natin sa taas, ang dx natin sa baba. Di ibaba mo yung dx mo. Diba? O equals over. Kasi ang gusto niya is dy over dx equation. So, lagyan mo ng sa baba dx. Ganon din sa kabila para balance to. Ha? Oh. So, dy over dx lang, di ba? Dapat wala nang iba. So, meron ka pang 1,250. Tanggalin mo yung 1,250 mo. Okay, lagay sa baba. Sa kabila. And then, cancel out. So, ano ang naiwan? Ano ang naiwan dito, class? Ang naiwan dyan ay tanggalin ko muna ito. Wait. Ano ang naiwan dito? This will be your dy over dx is equals to, diba? Equals to what? X over 625. Yan ang dy over dx mo. Can you follow? So, yan na yung pinapahanap sa ating class. Diba? Ito to. Oh, sorry. Yan. Ito to. dy over dx is equals to x over 625 na gagamitin natin sa formula na arc length AB. Nakuha. Yan na. Okay, next. Saan? Okay. Bakit meron na ito? Tanggalin ko muna ito. Erase. Okay. So, meron na tayong dy over dx, which is, yan ang kailangan natin sa working equation ng arc length AB. So, sulat natin ulit ang working equation. Arc length AB is equals to the integral of the square root of 1 plus what is your dy over dx square. So, that is x over 6 to 5. Can you follow? And then square. Then dx. O, yung limit niya x1 to x2. Ito na, class, ang limit niya x1 to x2. Go back to the drawing. Ito na ang limit ng, ito na yung x1 natin. From negative 500 to positive 500. Can you follow? Yung x1 mo, mag-start tayo sa negative 500 hanggang sa positive 500. Okay, so saan ba yun? Yan. So, dito pala class ay negative 500, then positive 500. So eto na yung working equation na hinahanap natin. Kompleto na yan. Ano na lang gawin natin dyan? You have to integrate. Ano? Saan galing ang x over 6 to 5? That is dy over dx. Galing ito class sa derivative ng equation ng cable AB which in the shape of parabola. Okay. So, eto, next is this one. Madali na lang ito, no? Madali na bang integral? Madali lang. Gamitan lang natin ang calculator. Okay, so square root of what? Ano ba yun? Integral of the square root of 1 plus and then yan, alpha x, diba? Over 6 to 5 and yeah, then and tapos may square, and of course ang limit na starts from negative 500 and then ano yan? Okay, to positive 500 equals, ayan, that is 1098.23. Picture natin muna. Okay, so your arc length AB is equals to 1098.23. Also 0.23. So yan ang required niya, no? Find the length of the cable AB that is in the shape of the parabola given the cable bridge, no? So, tingnan natin kung anong letter A. So, hopefully, no, marami tayong makuha dito sa example. Previous board exam. Actually, this is previous board exam. Ewan ko kung meron ba sa inyo naka-encounter nito sa mga palagi nag-take ng board exam, yung mga matataas yung writing spirits. But sabi sa amin, that is actually previous board. So, hopefully, marami tayong makukuha dito, no? Sa ganito lang kasi po na question, maikli lang, tapos ang dami natin makuha, no? Ang dami natin nakuha. One of that is the parabola, the equation of the parabola. Ano ba yung equation ng parabola? Ano ba yung arc length? Okay? So, thank you for watching and have a nice day.